Right, I'm back again. Just a little quick one. I bought myself another present and thought I'd just do a quick unboxing and let you know what it is I've got. I'm no expert on gear. All I do know is when I'm using my vlogging camera and I'm holding it, I'm a little bit close, and you know, if I need to get the wife in this side, then we are right close to the camera. So I wanted something a little bit wider. I use a wide angle lens on my Canon, as you know, and I also use one on my Fuji. So I decided to get myself one of these for me Canon M50. The M50 is starting to be used quite a lot for my vlogging camera, so what I'm tending to do is use the GoPro for like all the B-roll and stuff like that, and I'm using the M50 now handheld with a microphone. So I bought the 11-22 EF Canon lens. So all I'm going to do is unbox it and show you the difference between what I'm speaking to you on now and what I'm going to be speaking to you on. I'll probably still keep the other one as well. Keep it in my bag so when I'm doing a little bit of zooming in. But the other one's only an 18 to, is it 55, something like that? Right, some instructions. Take them out. Bit of cardboard, bit of plastic, as you do. And inside we've got a nice little lens. So, put that to one side, move that rubbish out of the way. And inside this little polystyrene bag, we have one lens. Now this is a little bit longer and bigger, which is surprising that it's longer than the one that's actually on the camera at the moment that I'm talking to you on. So yeah, first impressions are it feels nice and it is definitely longer. So this one has come with a polarizer on it, which would be quite nice. I bought it second hand, but under the impression that it's in very good condition. Now the polarizer looks pretty good, and there's also a UV filter on there as well. So we'll just unscrew them, check the lens, and it's looking pretty clean. So yeah, quite happy with that. And then the back element, again, absolutely pristine. So not one for spending a lot of money if I can help it, so I tend to get second-hand gear, and yeah, very happy with that. Pop it on the camera now and we'll see what sort of difference it makes. So hang 5 and we'll change it over. I'm back. Yeah, so that's a comparison. Hold the two lenses up together and you can see that the wide angles are definitely a bit wider, and you can see the difference between the plastic back and the metal back on the wide angle one. So yeah, there is a bit of difference between them. It's a bigger lens hood, so I'm going to have to get myself a new lens hood for it, but this was only 99p. So 99p, cheap as chips, why buy original? Yeah, so all in all, nice bit of kit. So next vlog, when I'm up to date that is, because we've got a few more vlogs to get out first, I've got a back catalogue. So yeah, when I'm up to date, I'll have this one on. That'll probably be when I do the prize giveaway in a few weeks time. Cheers, see you later. Oh, check out my other videos, and yeah, see you soon. Ciao.